How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Sent a message by mistake on Instagram? Here's how to delete it permanently. First, open Instagram on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the message icon to open your DMs. Next, open the chat where the message was sent. Scroll until you find the message you want to remove. Now tap and hold on the message. A menu will appear. Select unsend. Instagram will ask you to confirm. Tap unsend again. Once you do this, the message is instantly removed from your chat and the other person's chat, even if they've already seen it. This works for text messages, images, videos, and voice messages, and that's it. Your Instagram message is permanently deleted. For more quick Instagram tips, like the video and subscribe.